Hello, welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to, of course, explore and celebrate some more things that people with autism and other disabilities can do. So I invite you to come along with me for another episode of Autism Takes On.
Okay, this is the Carnival Ecstasy casting off. First video I'm taking, this better be good. Okay, those are the 3 blasts. Can't believe a ship that size can go off without dugs. As you see on top, that's the radar. Right there, that's the bridge where the captain and wheelsman are. Right now the ship is using its side thrusters to get away from port. Just how you can see some Coast Guard vessels. Let me zoom in. Right there. I think there's a police one over here somewhere. I'm pretty sure this one had a fire at some point, caused by a cigarette. Fire is the second worst thing that can happen on this ship. Second only to sinking, obviously. You probably all know that, ship lover or no. And fires are very disastrous on ships due to the fact that the crew is its own fire department. And if you use too much water, you can disturb the balance on the ship. There's a slight breeze blowing, but I'd say it's a good day for sailing. Sailing, I'm southerning there. If I hadn't told you folks, we're in South Carolina. Excuse me, Charleston, South Carolina. Got to get the city in there. Is it backing up or is it going forward? I can't tell. Okay, looks like it's stopped for now. Barely moving if it's moving at all. Okay, apparently it's backing up. Hope it doesn't back up too far and hit the drawbridge. I mean, it could go under the drawbridge. It might have to sink a little bit. On purpose. Of course. Yeah, ships can sink partially on purpose. Did you know that? I hope it travels forward sooner or later. Because the back end of a ship is a very inefficient design in terms of speed. Because it does not cut through the water whatsoever. Yeesh, the captain's taking a long time. Okay, finally! It's going forward for once. Yay! There's a Yorktown right there. Fighting lady of World War II. Named after the Yorktown that sank during the Battle of Midway. Right next to it is the USS Langley, the ship that would not die. excuse me, Laffy. What am I thinking? Langley's the first U.S. aircraft carrier. So yeah, that's the Carnival Ecstasy casting off, and I hope you liked it. Have a nice day. How do I turn this thing off?